the Ram Sita. So first line everybody knows. So let's sing it. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sita Ram. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sita Ram. Sita Ram, Sita Ram, bad pyare tu Sita Ram. Sita Ram, Sita Ram, bad pyare tu Sita Ram. Sundar Vikram Megha Shyam Ganga Tulsi Karuna Sundar Vikram Megha Shyam Ganga Tulsi Karuna Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Bhaktagirishwar Sita Ram, Bhagat Jana Priya Sita Ram. Bhaktagirishwar Sita Ram, Bhagat Jana Priya Sita Ram. Sita Ram, Sita Ram, bad pyare tu Sita Ram. Janaki Ramana Sita Ram, Jaya Jaya Raghav Sita Ram. Janaki Ramana Sita Ram, Jaya Jaya Raghav Sita Ram. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sita Ram. Sita Ram, bad pyare tu Sita Ram. Sita Ram, Sita Ram, bad pyare tu Sita Ram. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sita Ram. So this is the original one, and if possible, I think we should sing this every time whenever you do sitting. So let me just repeat it once more, and hopefully I'll also tell what is the meaning of it. So everybody knows Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, which is the Lord of Raghukul is Raja Ram, Patita Pavan Sita Ram. For all the downtrodden and fallen, the Lord is Sita Ram, the Ram of Sita. That is Ram who is situated in the heart of Sita. Then Sita Ram, bad pyare tu Sita Ram. Why is this important? Because in the age of Kali, Nam Sankirtan is the only way to realize the God. Do you think you have that intelligence that you can contest all the Vedas and Upavedas? Who amongst us can do that? Even the most qualified. Who amongst us has got long enough life that you can do all the tapas? No. Those prescribed things were for the previous yuga. The Kali Yuga, there is only one dharma, and that is only if the jivas can remember who they are and what is the Sanatan dharma that jivas have with the Creator. That is the purpose. When we say this is Sanatan dharma, what is Sanatan about it? Sanatan is that eternal relationship that the living entity, Jivatma, has with Bhagwan. That is Sanatan, that is eternal. Everything else is temporal. Right? Then Sundar Vigraha. That Lord has got a vigraha. He has a shape, appearance, which is extremely beautiful. Megh Sham. And what is the color of that? It's just like Sham, just like Megh. It's got a bluish, grayish appearance. Okay? And Ganga Tulasi Shaligram. And this is being said that Ganga is coming from his toenail. And the relationship is same as like Tulasi and Shaligram, which is another root of the Lord. Right? Bhadra Girishwar, Sita Ram. He is Sita Ram of Bhadrachalam. Bhadrachalam is where Godavari originates. He is that Lord. Bhagat Janapriya. And he, for the Bhagat, for the devotees, he is Janapriya. Devotees love him and he loves Bhagat. Okay? Sita Ram. Janaki Ramana, Sita Ram. Janaki Raman. It's got two meanings. Janaki, Sita Devi, Raman. Janaki is always remembering him. The second meaning is that he is the one who is the lover of Sita. That is the second meaning. Janaki Raman, Sita Ram. Jai Jai Raghav, Sita. Very beautiful. Okay? And please, in your life, never sing the distorted, molested version of this that you hear in radio or other places.